What's going on, my tapped out auto fam? It's your boy, Dirty Boy. Well, we're starting on it. Got some steel. Another piece there, it should be enough. But I'm having a hard time getting this damn board off. So, now, I am a non-sponsor on Harbor Freight. I really am. I'm gonna tell you what, guys. These screwdrivers right here, with the you put a 15mm wrench on the end. These things are fucking great, guys. Great. Alright. Let's go down here. We can see something. This in here I've already broke loose. I'm gonna take it out. There we go. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get me another tripod. Get the wrench. Alright. Good. Look at that. I have to tell you one thing, guys. These screwdrivers, I must have bought a set of these a long time ago. Oh, yeah. I think it's... I think it's out of the trailer at least. This one here is kind of funky fied. I'm probably gonna have to cut this off the grinder. Yeah, it won't even get no bite. Alright, guys, I just need to get this one off and the other one over there. So we already got them two off later down the line. And I'm gonna try to get these off here. What's going on here? Oh, the fuck? Alright. Guess I'm gonna have to edit that part out. What the fuck? Somehow y'all guys got zoomed all the way in. I must have did that when I grabbed a hold of you. There we go. What the fuck? Look at these screwdrivers. Boy, they stick right in there. Lifetime warranty. Pittsburgh. They say non-sponsor, but it's some great screwdrivers. Look at that. 15mm wrench on top. I'm impressed. Cool. It's a pretty long ass screws. Alright, try the next one. I like how they just stab in like that. It's solid. Oh, look at that. Man, I tried taking these off the other day with just a regular screwdriver. Just a One this size, but I mean, just didn't have this wrench piece on the top of it. I'm gonna tell you what, guys, that shit did not happen, as you see. Alright. There's that. It's kind of dry though. Ooh. Get y'all together a set of these. They were actually wasn't expensive at all. Like 20 bucks for a whole set. That's actually pretty nice. I like that. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the rest of these out.
sweetheart.
What you doing?
Well then, I just got done vacuuming and the phone was ringing and it was back to me, so I'm gonna walk up there and see her for a few minutes. Is there anything you need? The dogs are, both of them in their pen, and Cracker and Rug are running around.
Awesome.
So.
Gonna make Cracker hate her taking her up there with that Cracker.
Do you want me to get Cracker?
No, it's okay. She'll get over it.
Take Cracker too.
No, it's okay. Cracker can feel left out.
I'll never feel left out.
It's like, yeah, honey, go on. Alright guys, we are back. Great set of screwdrivers. I thought I broke one, but I guess the end is not attached to the tip. But what's cool about it, at least, that it's got a breakaway so it doesn't break the screwdriver. That's cool. But yeah, I took an impact on the top of that screwdriver and it got every screw out but one. And that one was previously stripped. But I pulled this board off and there's a wire here that's been, look like it's been snipped off. It don't look like it's been pulled, it look like it's been snipped. And so I need to fix that for him. Ooh, but this is looking a lot worse than I thought. Huh. Alright, well, I think we need to tackle that first and see if we can't get that fixed first. So let me get some grinders out of here, switch up some tools, and holy shit, that looks bad. That looks really, really bad, especially where that spring mount is. Shit. That is terrible. Y'all see that, guys? I don't know if I can fix that, but I'm gonna try. Alright. Alright guys, it's been a minute. Got this grounded down. It's pretty bad, but I'm just gonna box it in. Bring it all the way down here. Weld that brace to it. The trailer's already been broken half once. So you can see right there. Somebody's already welded it. No, that's not from factory. You can see the other side. Other side's one continuous long piece. All the way down it. Yeah. So, this trailer's already been patched a couple times at least. Well, definitely right there. What is going on with the camera today, guys? Just did not want to cooperate. Right there. Been broken in half right there. But we're getting it. Got this metal here, but I tell you what, with that damn Corona shit going around, holy hell is metal hard to find. Insane. This piece and these two pieces cost $150 plus tax. That's insane. Just that piece right there was $70 plus tax. That's insane. And with this Corona stuff, all the steel mills and everything else is closed down, so nobody can get me any cheaper stuff. So yeah, that was just absolutely insane. $150 for these three pieces. That's just wow. Alright guys, I need to get figure out exactly how I'm going to cut that. And I got the welder already out here. What else did I need to get? That. And, oh yeah, I got some magnets to help hold it. I don't think I need them, but might as well have them out here. Alright guys, let me go get this. Alright guys, welcome back. What's going on? Use the old chop saw there, / miter saw. Got us some pieces cut up here. And we're going to weld them in the best we can. Now, I know I'm not that good of a welder, guys. I know I'm not. But I'm better than that. That looks wonky as hell. I'm surprised that didn't even hold it. Look, it's not even welded on this side. Oh, we're going to see what we can do. Cool. Who needs a chop saw when you got a miter saw? Right, guys? This damn tripod is not loving me right now. If I can get you in a good position here, you'll see what the hell I'm doing. See this up. And look how straight that cut. That's awesome. Alright. Need to get it off in here. Oh, there it is. Have this as tight as I can get it. I have to go get a real hammer. Yeah, shit. I gotta go get a real hammer. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. We're back. Alright. We got a real hammer. Got that all looking good. See what I did there? Took and butted it right to this piece that they welded. Not worth a shit, but they welded it. So I'm gonna put a line here, and then probably gonna stick weld this. I think I'd be better off if I stick weld it. So let me try stick and weld this, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. What y'all think? My welder, old Harbor Freight right there, is not working worth a shit today. I don't know why, but it keeps wanting to jump all over the place, no matter what the hell I adjust it to. Keeps wanting to jump all over the place, but that's not too bad. I mean, I never said I was a professional welder. I'm going to get a piece to cap it off up here and on the bottom. But I seriously doubt that's ever going to fucking fall off. I got to get a little piece in here. Other than that, I think it works out great. Tell me in the comments what y'all think for a beginner. I mean, I've only been welding for about maybe a year. But that really don't look too bad to me. I seriously doubt if it's ever going to fall off. Awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to keep, what does Send It Steve say? Plugging and chugging? I'm going to keep plugging and chugging. Awesome. Alright guys, we are back. Oh, I think that's all I'm going to be able to do today. The little Harbor Freight welder is getting a little overheated. But guys, I don't think it looks too bad. I mean, yeah, whoops, way too close. It's a little jumbled. I don't know what is going on with this welder. I have put a new feeder piece in that. I have adjusted it 92 times, or for some reason it's jumping around. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because the metal is cold or what. But yeah, it's not working right, but I seriously doubt. That's pretty damn solid. So I think I'm done for the night, guys. Also, I have a early 90s, like 92, 93. I would say 92, 93. Let's say between 90 and 93. Blue Ford pickup truck with dark tinted windows driving up and down my street. And I don't think I've ever seen that damn truck around here before. And tinted windows up here is a big no-no. I found that out when the police told me to take the tint off the windows on this. I don't think it's a cop. I don't see why a cop would be driving a long, bad Ford pickup truck. 4x4. I mean, what the heck? You ain't gonna catch nobody in that fucking thing. Yeah, dark tinted windows. That's weird. Alright guys, we're gonna start on this tomorrow again. Say I think the welder's getting overheated. But I sure as hell don't think that's ever gonna break. Ever. And then gotta give me a good game plan for this right here. That looks pretty nasty. But other than that, it's looking good. Alright guys, don't know if I'm going to download this tonight or just wait till in the morning. And then Accurate Engines told me that they're going to have me a motor done up and ready by tomorrow. I seriously fucking doubt that, but we're going to see it. We're just going to see. Alright guys, I'll let y'all go for now. I was actually hoping that damn Ford pickup truck would blow by here again. Never seen that truck before. Kind of weird. At least I don't think I have. Nice fucking truck. Just wondering why the hell it keeps driving up and down my damn road and everything. And I know damn well that truck don't live down this road. This road here dead ends down that way about a block. And then it dead ends that way about 3 blocks. And I don't know anybody around this whole damn neighborhood that drives a early 90s Ford long bad pickup truck with 4x4 on it with dark tinted windows. It don't even seem like something the police would be driving. So, that time, guys, you know, we got this epidemic coming along and stuff like that. We're running out of food. We're running out of all kinds of shit and everything. You know, this might be the Purge. You know, that movie The Purge. That shit could be happening. Just never know. But yeah, it's just kind of weird. Alright guys, I'll let y'all go. Probably not going to be the end of this video. Of course, I don't know how long this video is, so we're just going to determine on that. Later, guys. Alright guys, we are on day 2 of this trailer. And I just had to get it done. That one of them things that had to get done. But it don't look too bad. Not for a beginner. It still looks better than that. It hoed. I did the old hammer test on it. Sticks well, and I did find out my problem. Problem of it was I was using too thin a weld in wire. I started using thicker weld wire, and as you see, I did a lot better. Hell of a lot better. So yeah, live and learn. Alright guys, I'm going to get this thing painted up because there ain't really no more I could do to it. Every time I hit a spot, I can blow a hole through it because the metal's so thin. But I think the only thing they use this for anyways is like hauling kayaks and wood. But yeah, don't look bad. Cool, I'm gonna get this painted up, guys, and we'll be back. Alright, guys. Do a little bit of a paint job on this thing. A little bit of Rust-Oleum. Don't look too bad. Not at all. Even that actually turned out pretty nice. I think it's gonna last them a little while. Probably the rest of this trailer, because the rest of this trailer is screwed. Alright, guys. Let's see how that screwdriver and impact trick works. Putting them on. Who needs a cordless drill? Alright. Let me get the other one on. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish doing this and getting it painted up and it'll be done. There it is, guys. Non-sponsor. These screwdrivers right here are the shit. Mac Impact. Better than a cordless drill. That was cool. That saved a shit ton of time. Alright guys, I'm gonna get this thing painted and we'll be back for a final look. Alright guys, here is the final results. Not bad. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this. Just helping them out, you know. I didn't want to spend $500-600 on a $300 trailer. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Now you're probably wondering why I did this one in stitch and this one in a solid bead, because this from about right here on up to, oh, I'd say probably right in here, rusted gone. Completely rusted gone. So that's why they got that and they only got that. Oh, that'll last for a little bit. Alright guys, next video, ignition packs or coil packs on this one. Alright, later.